Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about Exami system. First of all, you have to get this account card, and if you do, you already have the website link. Also, you need a laptop with the webcam. If you are ready, let's begin. Go to the site first, then download the launcher application. After downloading, you should decompress the file by right-clicking on it, then choosing Extract All. Then click Extract. Okay. After that, double-click on the green icon of the launcher app to get this window. Note that you can change the language from here. Now you have two applications, the admin and the terminal. Let's start with the admin application. Choose the admin, then click Start. If this is the first run, you should wait for the download, but the second time it would work directly unless there is an update. Note that you can change the language from here. Now we must log in using the account card and webcam. Show the card to the webcam, then input the password. Now we have three routes to go: questions, students, and exams. Let's start with the questions. Now we are going to learn about how to manage the questions bank. At first, you must design at least one question for each type. Then, you can copy any design to reuse it. How to start designing the question? First, click New Record. A new empty question will appear. At the top left corner, we have the tool icon, which allows us to set the size, the color, and the font. Usually we use the size of 800 in width and 600 in height to work with most of the screens. Also, we have two spaces, one for the question and the other for the answer. Now right-click on the question space to insert an object, like a text or an image, depending on the question you want. When you add any object, you also have the tools icon for each object to modify the size, font, color, and layout. Now let's go to the answer space. When right-clicking on it, you will get three types of questions: radio, check, and text. Let's start with the radio type. Adding a radio means you set several options to choose only one of them. Now you also have to set the size. Then right-click on the empty space to add a new item. Then right-click inside the item to add a new object, text or image. Note that don't select big size images. Try to resize them first using Paint or Photoshop, whatever works for you. So get your image ready before using the application. after getting everything ready for this question, you should set the degree for it. That means you must plan ahead for each question to be a part of which exam and how much degrees assigned for it. In radio type questions, you have to set the degree for the correct answer and save it. Note that it is very important that you save the degree when changing it. If you are happy with the results of this question, you can click Upload to Server to save it to your question bank. Now you can double-click this question to modify it, or you can right-click and copy the question as new to create another question using the same design. Now let's get to the check type. I am going to copy the radio question and convert it to a check question. Get to an empty space and then right-click to select Add the check. Then click Yes. Now we have the area for check type question. Also, you can right-click, then add an item and changing the size from a tools icon. Note that however you design the question, it's going to appear exactly the same to the students. The difference between the radio and the check is, in check type questions, the student can select more than one answer. That means you must divide the mark upon the right answer and also inverse that upon the wrong answer. so that the student cannot select all the answers and gets away with it. That is why we make sure to assign a minus number to the wrong answer to cancel the right answer. Finally, the text type question. This kind of questions cannot be corrected automatically, so you can add it, and after the exam you must log in again and correct it manually, like an essay writing. This is the end of part 1. Please fill your question bank according to the instructions provided by this video. Thank you for watching.